Hello guys, I'm Elise, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to put 60 minutes or more videos in Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you need to make sure that there is an Instagram app in your phone or it is updated properly. Open your app store and then type in Instagram, then open it, or there will come an update button, updated. So go to your story button and then click on any video that you would like to upload to your stories, and you will see that one video gets automatically updated. This is a feature of Instagram, and this video does not get cut off or anything, but instead it goes into one single video. And if you do not have this feature, do not worry, Instagram will soon take out this feature in your phone or Android or iOS, and until then you will have to wait for this feature. And if you already have this feature, that's very good. Thank you everyone, and see you in the next one. If you have any comments or suggestions, please leave it on the box below. I'll see you in the next one.